Hey everybody, welcome back to Bar Run Forge. It's Troy and it's another Tuesday morning tool video. Stick around. In a previous video, we made this bottom hammer form. So as we're putting the hammer eye drift through the hammer, we can form the cheeks out, okay, and then we can have the fullers in nice. Well, that's not what we need this tool for. We need a tool where when we're making axes, we can keep the cheeks of the axe in form as we're driving the drift through. So we're going to take this piece of 4140. It is 1 3/4 inches across by 3 inches long, and what we'll be doing is punching a hole through it, and as we punch that hole through it, then we'll start forming it enough where we can drive the hammer or the axe eye drift through, and then we'll form the sides so that we can continue to keep the form of the axe as we're making and forming our axes. First thing we're going to do is just take the corners off of this on the two sides, just to kind of break it just a little bit so we can try to avoid some of the fish mouthing. So we'll do that on both corners, opposite of each other. All right, with the hammer eye punched out, we're going to flatten it out a little bit to lengthen it so that we can get the axe eye drift in.
Alright, so here's the deal. Unfortunately, we had some technical difficulties and everything that went on with our axe form here did not get recorded. So unfortunately, we don't have all of the video showing the process of finishing it off, grinding it, you know, smoothing it down and everything like that. Fortunately, technology does what it does. But it is completed. There you go. You can see there, we got a little rounded form right here for the axe head to sit in, and then those cheeks will kind of roll down in here, and then the axe eye drift shape fits right down in there. So whenever we're forming an axe, that drift can just sit down in there and make it super easy to do any type of forming, shaping, things like that. So there you have it. Thank you guys for stopping in, watching this video. Again, we apologize. Unfortunately, just with some technology stuff, didn't record what happened, you know, halfway through the process, but it is completed. Here is our finished axe form, ready to go. Hopefully one day we'll actually get to record the whole thing, show you guys how to make one once we get better as smiths and everything like that. Quality will be way better down the way anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Tuesday Tool videos coming out every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Be sure to check out the live streams every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, hit the notification bell so you're alerted every single time we have new content coming out. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Rumble. Also go check out the website, www.barrunforge.com, BARRUNFORGE.com. Check out some merch, check out some handmade stuff. Christmas is coming right around the corner. If you haven't got one of those last minute Christmas gifts, go ahead and get that ordered as well. Thank you guys again so much. God bless. Take care. We'll see you on the next one.